First thing someone thinks about with the twist tie is using it on a bread bag. Plas-Ties started making twist tie machines roughly 54 years ago for the bread bag. Every customer, every person I've met in my whole world has used a twist tie on a bread bag. The benefit to it is that it's reusable. You're able to untwist it and then seal it back up. It's not completely airtight, but it's airtight enough to where it'll keep your product fresh for many days, if not many weeks or months, depending on the product you're actually bundling. We now can actually put a print on a twist tie if you wanted to use it on a bread bag. For instance, what you see now a lot of times, you see an actual expiration date on the bag itself. We have the technology now with an inkjet printer to be able to print actual time, to be able to actually have an expiration date, lot code, batch code, or whatever it is you want to program into the printer to see at the time of tying your bread bag. The benefit to this is that you're able to take two different procedures, tying and printing, and it all comes out of one single procedure. So you've cut down on many minutes of or seconds per product, and it's a very effective way to increase your overall production. Alternative to bread twist ties are going to be quick lock, which many people have seen every day, as well as tape. So the tape is a very inexpensive way of doing it, but the problem with it is you sometimes are going to have it to break open the bag. So you lose the reusability of the products if you're using tape. Also Ziploc. So you'll run into a Ziploc and you'll see it doesn't really happen too much with bread itself, but it is an effective way of enclosing a product similar to it, such as tortillas. We were approached by a customer who was using our twist tie machine to bundle their breads, but they now have to start going through a metal detector for when they started to increase their overall product. In doing so, our twist tie material was not able to make it through the scanner due to the metal core. We were able to design a new machine, a variation of our HD machine, and have a non-metal material actually run with it, and it served the full purpose of what they needed, which is they wanted to keep the ability of having the twist tie and the reusability of the twist tie feature, but not have the metal core. And with our metal-free twist tie material, we were able to solve that full solution and keep them on board with using twist ties, and their customers happy with the reusability of it in comparison to some of the other products. Such as Quick Lock or the tape.